Hello guys, my name is Alexis and let's play first game Shine Cube. Guys, this is really so nice game. Okay. Come on. 4. Oh sh. Am I gonna lose or what? Come on. No, thank you. Guys, if you don't like this game, you can open another one. You can. There's timeline in the options of this video, so you can choose another game if you don't like this one. Let's choose this. Whoa. 8. No, thank you. Oh, look at this. So cool. Okay, let's play other game. And this is one of the best game going balls. It's really so nice game. Whoa. We need to be careful. Checkpoint. Stop. Stop. Woohoo. Checkpoint again. Guys, please don't forget to leave a like on this video for more interesting games. This one for... oh, maybe for this burger. Let's buy this burger. I think it was a bonus mission. Whoa! What is this? Oh my gosh. How much banana do I need to collect? We need to take all the bananas. Maybe. The last seconds. Yahoo! Whoosh! So nice. Now let's play robots. We need to create our own robot. It's gonna be, I think, Iron Man. Yes, it looks like Iron Man. And what now? Now we need to fight. Okay. That's it? We win? Okay, one more time. Ah, it was tutorial, I think so. Yeah, this is first mission. Whoa! It's attacked me. Woohoo! So when we are running, we cannot fight. We fight only when we're standing. So we can buy something else. Oh, this is head huggy wuggy. I wanna buy body huggy wuggy and I wanna buy arm huggy wuggy. There we have no enough money. Look at this monster. It looks so nice. Oh, now I can fight when I'm staying. I'm shooting when the enemy is far away from me. Look. And I am fighting when I stay close to them also. Okay, let's buy. Oh no. Oh no, no. I won't buy this. Like, this is robot huggy wuggy. Robot huggy wuggy. He's fast. Nice. Oh, boss fight. Guys, we need to destroy this one. That's it. So now I won't buy. Oh, what is this? Siren head? Really, guys, it's a siren head. And let's buy hand siren heads. Oh, I mean not hands, legs, guys. Bow. I'm really so strong. Oh, it's gonna be boss fight again. So let's defeat this boss. Oh, one more boss. This is the last one. Haha, we win. Now I want to play Anime Run 3D. First I wanted to show you how much superhero we have here. Look, a lot of them. So much. So let's pick this one. Now we need to collect these blue colors. So change the color. Whoosh. Blue one. Oh, I mean yellow. Tap faster. Now we will fight with this tennis. Bounce. Let's take this one. This is Batman. Dun. Run away. Bounce. Street Racing 3D, another game. Look at my new car, guys, it's so nice. Was perfect. Very nice. This is the hardest racing in New York. It's the hardest one, guys. Leave a like if you are from America. Now let's play some funny game. This is Zuba. So let's go, guys. We're gonna take this one. Go away. Another weapon. Oh. Go away from me. You cannot catch me. Okay, I wanna take this. More health. Oh, the last weapon. That's nice. Let's fight. Ouch. Come on. I wanna take this health. Whoa. Buffalo, buffalo, come here. Take me your health. We're gonna play just one life. That's it. There's 7. Oh. Nice. Let's kill him. Boom. 5 more? Oh. What's wrong with you? Oh, hello. Okay. So strong weapon. Oh, there's the last one. What are you doing? I win. Now let's play Stick for Legacy. Destroy the sword statue. Okay. We need more of these guys. So we need to destroy this one. He has army. Okay. Oh, there's 3 person. 4? No, only 3. And we have 3 also. So it's good. I think soon he's gonna attack. We need more archers. We have no archers. Oh, he's attacking me. Really? Fight. Come on. Oh. Defend, defend, defend. Come on. we win. Tom Jetski 2. This is the last game for today. Let's go. And I'm gonna be first. Ouch. I don't wanna be the last one, please. But in this time, I think I'm gonna be the last one. Yeah. Oh my gosh, really?